understanding the winter-summer sale phenomenon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that excites shoppers worldwide, the winter-summer sale. These sales are not just about getting a good deal. They're a part of the shopping culture in many English-speaking countries. Whether you're learning English for travel, business, or pleasure, understanding these terms will help you navigate shopping seasons like a pro. So, let's unravel the mystery of these sales and why they're so anticipated. Winter and summer sales are significant retail events that occur in, you guessed it, winter and summer. These sales are characterized by substantial discounts on a wide range of products, from clothing and electronics to home goods and more. Retailers use these sales to clear out seasonal inventory and make room for new items. For shoppers, it's an opportunity to purchase goods at a fraction of their original price. The timing of these sales can vary by country and retailer, but generally, winter sales start after Christmas, running through January, while summer sales often begin in July and can extend into August. These sales can last from a few days to several weeks, offering shoppers ample time to snag deals. To truly benefit from winter and summer sales, here are a few tips. Plan ahead, know what you need before the sale starts to avoid impulse buys. Set a budget. It's easy to get carried away, so decide on a spending limit in advance. Compare prices. Check different stores and online platforms to find the best deals. Look for early bird specials. Some retailers offer extra discounts for early shoppers. These sales are not just shopping events. They have a significant impact on the economy and cultural practices. They stimulate consumer spending, driving up sales for retailers. Culturally, they create a buzz of excitement and anticipation, becoming a seasonal tradition for many shoppers. We hope this video sheds light on the exciting world of winter and summer sales. These sales periods are a fantastic opportunity for shoppers to find incredible deals and for businesses to boost their sales. So next time a sale season is around the corner, you'll be ready to dive in with confidence. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video. Remember, understanding these sales is not just about saving money, it's about participating in a global shopping culture. Whether you're an English language learner or a seasoned shopper, knowing when and how to navigate these sales can enhance your shopping experience.